Hello everyone, I'm Willy Nursabila, and I will give a review of the film entitled The World in 2050, The Real Future of Earth, BBC and National Geo documentaries by Thomas Guest as the executive editor of the magazine. Commercial production of ethanol as a fuel started in Brazil in 1975. At first, they start nobody talking about reducing emissions. Now more than 50% of all cars use ethanol instead of gasoline. Based on interview results, one of the man's families has been running a sugarcane business since 1955, and about 30 years ago. And now they produce 120,000 cubic meters of ethanol. And the way to do that is by them grinding the plant extract the sugar from the sugar cane into a big fermentation tank, which combines the sugar together with yeast, which naturally produce ethanol. They use plant reduce to generate heat to distill ethanol and turn it into fuel. They also use that heat to generate renewable electricity, leaving no excess carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. An efficient way to reduce the use of petroleum is biofuels. Brazil is the most efficient producer of ethanol worldwide. Ethanol that can reduce the total carbon footprint by up to 70% compared to gasoline. The second biofuel made from sizzling with biofuel in America is called synthetic biology. America engineered years to produce an anti-malarial drug called artemisinin. Because it's hard to get the sugar out of the biomass, so they do a pre-treatment to extract the glucose from the plant and then put the glucose into the tube that you engineer to produce the hydrocarbons, and the yeast absorbs the sugar and change the composition, giving us high energy molecules. Lastly, utopia is a place in balance with nature. Many imagined, tried to design. Then the Masdar was from in Abu Dhabi. The architect's first focus was to place a transportation beneath the city. The walls are made of glass reinforced concrete. They maximum energy efficiency. In the future, Mazda hopes to get energy from this prototype called solar beam down. The mirror reflects sunlight onto the tower and then down to the point where it reaches a temperature of 6,000 degrees. Steam can be generated to run turbines to generate electricity. There are only one problem. None of the solar technology works at night, so Mazda needs to draw power from the grid at sunset, and that power comes from natural gas. Utopia may not be possible, but we must make it possible because Mazda gives clues how the cities of the future. They will be shaped by the same attention that energy comes from and how it is used. Maybe that's all I can say. Thank you for watching and see you in the next assignment.